On behalf of Western Technical College, I am pleased to welcome you to the 2023 commencement ceremony, a celebration of Western's 111th year as a college.
You have worked hard, and it is time to celebrate this accomplishment.
You made it. You overcame probably about 500,000 obstacles on your way to this day.
Your ability to adapt, your resiliency, problem solving, communication, these skills coupled with your formal education that you receive from Western have completely prepared you for your next chapter.
It is up to you to take that knowledge and skills that you have acquired and apply them to your future endeavors. As you go forth into your careers, keep in mind the importance of giving back and making a positive difference in the lives of others.
I hope that my siblings and the peers around me will see what an incredible experience post-secondary education can be when you decide to play an active part of your campus and community.
Always remember where you came from, but then pay it back. As you continue to grow and succeed in your career, offer similar chances to someone else. Watching those around you succeed could be truly the most satisfying part of your career. It has been for me.
I am pleased to introduce to all of you the 2023 graduates of Western Technical College.